Dentials is...
Unplug the light and bring it here.
Honey, nadi-disturb si Dential. Aalis siya.
Hindi aalis yan. She's comfortable here. The baby's popping out. That's why she's getting uncomfortable. You okay? Come on. The baby's coming out.
She doesn't need lights.
So we can see it.
Dennis, don't touch the baby.
So she can dede. Wala ka talagang alam sa ano.
They're just gonna be moving around, so.
Because that's how kittens do when they labor. They move around. See? Misha's na is cool with it. Tingnan mo reaction ni Misha when you overreacting. They're gonna help each other out. Sheesh. They eat together. Isus naman, or they hang together. Where they're gonna fight each other.
So how many babies?
There's gonna be 12 total.
Misha's have 1.
She's gonna have 6.
And the other one's delivering. Sorry, Dential, we're disturbing your delivery.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why Dential is acting out crazy. I don't know what she wants, but she's always going to the kitchen.
Yeah. One is coming.
Honey, you don't need to hold the tail.
Michelle.
Let it be.
Michelle, just let go.
Ikaw walang experience sa pusa. Ako maraming experience sa pusa. Okay? Just don't panic. Misha's not even panicking. The more you panic, you making the cat is comfortable. Okay, one's coming out. Yeah, she's popping it out. Okay, there you go. You can do it, Mish. Okay, boom. It's gonna come out na. Boom. She's pushing. Parang kulay balot. You can do it, Mish. Or dance.
The stage.
See? You can do it.
Huwag ko nang
Para magdede siya dito. Okay, one popped out. She's pushing it good. So she had 2 right now. She's pushing it good. Okay, buhay. The cat is moving.
Dential's delivering babies right now.
Give me a napkin, Paul. Dential is also pooping.
Honey, you don't disturb them.
Michelle, she's pooping.
Let it finish. They're not done delivering.
Just give me a napkin and wet it with water. Si Mrs. gonna help out. Okay, the poop popped out also.
You scared her by the plastic.
No, I did not. She was pushing.
What are you doing?
I saw poo-poo and the baby's getting squashed.
Honey, don't disturb them.
Si Michelle, oh yan no, nilalabas na, oh.
Because
Okay.
let it be.
I smell the poo-poo also. Kakainin niya yung ano, yung placenta ng ano, ng pusa to make
I
her
know.
stronger. I smell the poop too. There's the poop. Kunin ko lang yung poop niya.
Honey, wag mo na pakialaman.
Ay, so si Michelle naman, no?
Let the mother do it.
The cat doesn't eat his own poop.
Yes, they do.
Michelle. That's why the kill litters over there. The only thing they're gonna eat is the baby's poop because it's milk.
Lumabas na ba yung isa?
Yeah, that's why she's cleaning it. She's cleaning herself. Dito ka, oh. Ayun, oh. And this is the smallest baby she has. I'll put
Honey,
her.
huwag mo naman
Michelle,
kamayin.
ang kulit. May aran akong experience.
Oh, pero once they deliver, you don't touch the babies.
I'll put it here sa silkano para mag-ambag yan.
Ang galawin mo itong mga kuting, doon mo ilagay. Pero yung babies, yung kalalabas lang, huwag mo nang makialaman. I know.
No, okay. Oh, he popped out na. Na-juice niya na.
Huwag nang galawin yung babies,
We need to
kalalabas lang.
replace this.
Yeah, wait until it finish, Han.
Saan si Misha? There's Misha. She knows what's up. Come in, Misha. Come on. See, Misha's helping her out. Because she's gonna.
I'll try to take a picture.
Ayun yung pupo. I know. Hurts. Hihingi siya ng tulong kay Misha. Misha doesn't wanna come. Okay, Mish, go. Go, 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 go. Let me help you. Come.
Honey,
Misha, yung kuting ito ni Misha. Ikaw naman mo. Ang bantling damdam. Okay.
asa si Misha?
So I'm just gonna get her and put her.
Honey, don't touch the babies.
Just to make it dead.
Honey, babies pa yan, delikado pa yan. Ba't kinukuha mo?
I'm just helping her out.
Huwag mo pakikialaman.
Ay, sus si Michelle, oh. Nahirapan nga si Michelle. That's why I pulled it off. Sus ka naman, oh. Wala ka tang alam sa no. Hindi ka na nanonood ng Discovery Channel.
No, let her do it. They know what to do.
Nahirapan siya.
No, she's not.
So, sumiiri na nga, oh. She's eating it off. Nakain niya yung ano, you see it?
Yeah, kainin niya lahat dahil you touch her.
Ay, sus, bahala ka naman, oh. Wala ka tang alam sa pusa. Then I need water tonight. Huwag ka na magpabuntis sa amin. Residential. When Wisha was delivering, how long did she do it?
I don't know. I was watching.
Buhay ba yung isa?
Ay, sus, buhay lahat, Michelle. Ikaw nag-ano ng masama eh. Siya gumagalaw.
What's the video?
I'm doing video.
Oh, I need the light.
Huwag mo nang galawin yung plastic.
Sus naman,
Hindi,
oh, ano
disturb
kami siya do?
Just don't touch the plastic.
I have mind. Hindi siya nga, residential ginawa niya, hindi ko kaya.
What time is it, Paul?
1:30.
1:33.
It's gonna deliver several more.
Where is she going?
Basa na to, she's feeling comfortable. She has 2 now.
Hayaan mo muna mag-deliver more bagong palitan. Because she's not done yet.
Yeah. She's asking me she's help.
Uy, tulungan mo sister mo. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Kumakain ka ng kung ano-ano.
Bring Misha here. Mga coins yan. Ito na dito mapunta si Misha. Okay, Misha's cleaning her up. See, Misha's helping out. Kaya ito na kaya na pusa yan, no?